An egg sinks in tap water due to its density relative to the water. Density is defined as mass per unit volume. The egg's density exceeds that of tap water. This means the egg has more mass packed into the same volume. Consequently, the gravitational force acting on the egg is greater than the buoyant force. This imbalance causes the egg to sink to the bottom. Adding salt to water increases the water's density. Dissolving salt adds mass to the water. The volume of water does not significantly increase when salt is dissolved. Therefore, the overall density of the saltwater solution is raised. An egg sinks in fresh water because the egg's density is greater than the water's density. Adding salt to the water increases the water's density. Salt water's density can become greater than the egg's density. The denser salt water exerts a greater buoyant force on the egg. This buoyant force pushes the egg upwards. The egg floats near the surface due to the increased buoyant force.